Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do is how to take your test data from Canvas and put it onto the test data Google Sheet. This is going to be for old classic quizzes, right? Most of us should have ours set up in classic quizzes. If you don't, there's still a way to do that, and I'll show you that in the second video here. But to just in case you forget or you don't know how to do this, this is going to be a tutorial to show you how. First thing you need to do, go to this screen, the test screen, right? You'll get there from assignments or quizzes, click on whatever quiz it is, and then boom, you have this page. Once you are here, where you're going to get the data is going to be over here on this tab, Quiz Statistics. Go ahead, click that, and this will give you your quiz summary sheet. And from here, this will show you the breakdown, how many people got them right, responses, so on and so forth. What we're interested in, however, is this right here, item analysis. I already went and generated this, so we didn't have to wait on it. But when you do it, you'll have to wait a couple of seconds. Something might get messed up with Canvas, and it might not give it to you automatically. But if that's the case, you'll just come up here and refresh the page right here. You'll be good to go. But item analysis, generate that. Boom, you'll get the download. Open that up, and you will get something that looks like this. You'll get a prompt asking you if you want to convert it or not. Hit whatever one, it doesn't matter. Just can get it so that you can get, or hit whatever one gets you to this page. Now from here, we are wanting column GA. This one will give us all of the data that we need, your correct student ratio. So what percentage of your students got it right. So go here and go ahead and scroll down, copy everything here. Copy. Now you'll take that and you will come back over to the unit test data. From there, super simple. Right click, paste, boom, you've got it. Now you want to format as a percentage. It looks a little bit different. So come up here, format as percent while it's still all highlighted. Click that and boom, you are all good to go. And it should automatically convert everything to the proper colors, everything like that. So this is for the how to do it on classic quizzes. Hang tight and I'll get a video going on how to do it on new